Hi, I'm Jenny from Tuftinglove, and now we're having a look at our ultimate tufting starter kit that we're selling in our Tuftinglove shop. You can already see there's a ton in the set. My table is full. So let's start right into it with the tufting machine. In the set included is the AK5 tufting machine. It's my personal favorite tufting machine. It's super lightweight. It's more silent than any other tufting machine. And it's tufting super smooth. In addition to that, you have this small light in the front here, which is great, especially if you're tufting a bit later in the evening. And you have the digital speed display back here, which allows you to set your personal perfect speed for tufting curves or straight lines. With the tufting machine, there comes also the threader with it and some spare parts, and of course also the power adapter with the suitable EU plug. Part of this set is also 20 pieces of these nail strips, which help you stretch your tufting cloth nicely on your self-built tufting frame. In the set included is as well a free tufting guide on how to build a freestanding frame, so you can choose the measurements and what's perfect for your project size or what fits into your living room where you're probably tufting, or your garage. Next, for all the tufting frame, we have the tufting cloth, and this is the whole batch of 3 by 5 meters tufting cloth you get from our premium tufting cloth. This tufting cloth is manufactured in Germany, so it's a real quality product that is made for the industry, and it's the strongest tufting cloth out there that you can find. I personally use it for all my tufting projects, and we also use it in all our tufting workshops here in the studio. Because you can see it's a 100% polyester cloth, and if I try to tear it, you can see I'm really pulling it strongly, but the threads are like super tear resistant, they're super strong, so it gives you a reliable base, and you know you're not just creating holes in the tufting cloth when you're tufting. So it's very important that you use the right tufting cloth for your projects. Especially if you want to go bigger, we really recommend the premium tufting cloth that is included in our ultimate set. In the set we also have our non-slip felt backing, which gives you, which gives your rug nice finish, because you have the non-slip part, especially also for bathroom rugs, very important, and you have nice clean edges because it's not fraying out. In the ultimate tufting starter set included is also our carving set with these 4 parts. First, we have the carving machine, which you might already know from various Instagram and YouTube tutorials. With this you can clean up your lines, carve your rug out 3-dimensional, and it's a really nice handy tool that actually has the power to cut through the tufting yarns. With it comes this guide into which you can slide the machine into if you want to level out your tufted rugs. As part of the additional carving set, we also have these nice duckbill and bent scissors. You can already see they have this slight angle here, which helps us cut things nice and evenly and not have our fingers in the way like with regular scissors, and then probably cut into the rug instead of flattening it out. I really love the big part, the big lower blade of the duckbill scissor to just put it flat onto the surface of the rug and cut single threads that are hanging over, or the back of the rug where the leftover snippets are, to just clean it up before gluing. Also part of the bundle is my all-time favorite scissors. We have this long pointy blade. It also has these bent handle parts, which again allows me to cut things super nice and flat. And the pointy blades allow me to correct single threads if I probably didn't reach everything with my rug carving machine. So you can see in this bundle there's really all the basics that you're gonna need. You can choose your own yarn to it from our over 140 different yarn colors, so it fits your project, and then you're really ready to go. One last thing, as you know, there's a lot of fake copies of the AK series out there, and we want to make sure that you know that we sell the original AK tufting machines, and you also get 2 years of warranty for all our machines. So you can be sure that you get reliable tufting supplies from our Tuftinglove shop.